Hi there. Now in the first part of this question we had to find the length of the arc AB, and the answer to that was 6.3 centimeters. And then we had to go on to work out the area of the sector OAB, which was 28.35 centimeters squares. And now we're told that the line AC shown in the figure is perpendicular to OA. And OBC is a straight line. So we've got to find in part C the length of AC, giving your answer to 2 decimal places for 2 marks. And then we're told that the region H is bounded by the arc AB and the lines AC and CB. And for part D, we've got to find the area of H, giving your answer to 2 decimal places for 3 marks. So again, if you'd like to have a go at this, haven't done so already, just give you a moment to pause the video. Okay, welcome back then if you had a go. So for part C, all we've got to do is basic trigonometry here. If we're to find the length AC, this is the opposite side to our angle, and we've got the adjacent side here in this right angle triangle. So opposite adjacent, that's got to be the tangent, or tan for short, of the angle 0.7 radians. Now for radians you could put a C there, or you could just leave it blank, okay? And by default it would be understood to be in radians. So the tan of 0.7 radians equals the opposite side, which is AC, and that is divided by the adjacent side, which is 9 centimeters. So all we've got to do then to get AC is just simply multiply both sides by 9, and so it's going to be 9 times the tan of 0.7 radians. Now you've got to be careful that you put your calculator in radians mode, because you're doing a trigonometric function here of an angle. So if you're in radians mode, you should find you get 7.580 and so on. And we're told to round this to 2 decimal places. So to 2 decimal places, this is going to be 7.58, and the units will be centimeters, and we'll put that accuracy in as 2 decimal places, 2 dp for short. Okay, so that's that part. Now we move on to the next part, part B. And in part B then, we've got to find the area H here, shown shaded. So for this one, what I'd want to do now is find out the area of the triangle, OAC, okay? And then from that, take away the area of the sector, OAB, which we had up here. So let's just put down an intro, and we can say that this is the area of H, and we'll just say it's going to be the area of the triangle, we'll just say OAC, okay, and then minus, and this will be the area of the sector, and the sector we're talking about is OAB. So to get the area of the triangle OAC, it's just going to be the base, say, if we take OA as the base, times the height, which will be AC, if we turn the triangle on its side. So that would be 9 multiplied by AC. Let's use the unrounded version here, 7.580, and so on. And then this is divided by 2. And then we subtract the area of the sector OAB, which we found up here as being 28.35. Now if you work this out on your calculator, you should find that you end up with 5.762 and so on. And rounding this too to 2 decimal places gives us 5.76. And don't forget the units is an area, so it's going to be centimeters squares, and we'll just put here 2 decimal places, 2 dp for short. All right.